Pretty much. Just had a shower, so I might as well get dirty and paint. This is my craft room wall area here that I am going to get rid of this stencil-y thing. I had this decorative thing up there earlier and I've taken it down. I just need a refresh and move all of this mess back over there. So yeah, let's get at it. I started cutting in and filling some holes. I'm just gonna roll it out and you guys can watch the process.
Hey everybody, remember to do all the things. Like, subscribe, and keep watching. We're always releasing new content and new things for you guys to build and enjoy.
So what I've done here is I've taken a thumbtack, I've measured the wall first, got the center point. I took a thumbtack, took a little knot and tied it around the end of the thumbtack, stuck the thumbtack in the wall and figured out how wide I wanted the arch. I then took a pencil, wrapped it around the string, and made sure the string was really tight. And I found it easier to kind of go the opposite way. I started going the one way and I changed it, go to the opposite way. And like I said, make sure the string stays tight and you'll be able to do the arch no problem. Now at the bottoms of the arch, to make sure that the lines were straight and parallel to the baseboard or the floor, whichever, I took a level and made sure that little level bubble was perfect, and you'd have no problem. You just connect it to the arch and go ahead and start to paint. Have fun!
So there you have it. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. It was a bit of a chore. Of course, painting any wall is a tiny bit of a chore, but I was really excited to do the little pink Archie thing there. Now, this doesn't look as, I'd say it's like more of a, well, kind of my skin tone-ish. Okay, how about my face? That's better. Yeah, kind of my skin tone. See? So, this, I'm losing it. Hold on. I feel like the color is like my skin color. What do y'all think?